Hello student, welcome back to KG classes. Today we shall teach you about one word substitution. A place where government or public records are kept. उसको archives बोलते हैं. Who does a thing for pleasure and not as a profession. Amateur. A person who studies heavenly bodies. Astronomers. जो आकाशीय तथ्य उनका अध्ययन करते हैं उनको एस्ट्रोनॉमी बोलते हैं, खगोलदर्शी. हु फोरटेल्स द फ्यूचर, जो भविष्यवाणी बताता है उसको एस्ट्रोलॉजर, ज्योतिष. अ पर्सन हु राइट्स इन हाईली डेकोरेटिव हैंड राइटिंग, कॉलीग्राफिस्ट. फिट टू बी ईटन, एडिबल. वन हु डील्स इन फ्लावर्स, फ्लोरिस्ट. easily broken, fragile. A place for storing grains, granary. A place for housing aeroplanes, hangar. The art of cultivating and managing garden, horticulture. Incapable of being avoided, inevitable. One who dies for a noble cause and its pupil. Martyr. A place where coins are made, जहाँ सिक्के बनाए जाते हैं उसको मिंट बोलते हैं. One who has lost parents, जिसके माता पिता ना हो उसको अनाथ, ऑर्फन बोलते हैं. That which cannot be seen through, opaque, जिसके द्वारा देखा ना जा सके, अपारदर्शी. One who eats everything, जो सब कुछ खाता, omnivorous, सर्वाहारी. A remedy for all disease, panacea. That can be carried easily, portable, जिसको आसानी से ले जाया जा सके. That which can be seen through, जिसके द्वारा आसानी से देखा जा सके, ट्रांसपेरेंट, पारदर्शी. A place for clothes, जहाँ कपड़े फैलाए जाते हैं, wardrobe. A place for washing hands and face, lavatory. A place fitted for scientific experiment, laboratory. A place where tickets are sold, booking. That which cannot be read, illegible. That which cannot be cured, incurable. That which cannot be corrected, incorrigible. That which cannot be divided, indivisible. That which cannot be seen, invincible. That which cannot be dissolved, insoluble. That which is found everywhere, universal. Work for which no salary is paid, honorary. A remedy for all disease, panacea. One who cannot speak, dumb. One who cannot see, blind. One who cannot pay his debt, bankrupt, insolvent. One who is liked by the people, popular. One who is all powerful, omnipotent. One who looks at the bright side of things, optimist. One who does not believe in God, atheist. One whose husband is dead, widow. One who can hit the mark, marksman. A word opposite in meaning as another, antonym. The life story of a person written by himself, autobiography. A disease accident that ends in death, fatal. A paper written by hand, manuscript. Flowers tastefully arranged, bouquet. A person who helps to write the thesis, guide, 100 years, century. One who cannot hear, deaf. A person who sells things in a street, hawker. A place where clothes are cleaned,